Did you know that the eyes, the windows to our soul, are the second most complex organ in our bodies after the brain? Yet it's surprising how often we neglect the health of these intricate organs. What's even more astounding is the significant role our diet plays in maintaining eye health. A simple tweak in our daily meals can make a world of difference in preserving our vision. Stick around to find out the top 5 foods that can help keep your eyes in top shape. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have fatty fish. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about these aquatic creatures? Well, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are swimming with benefits for your eyes. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of nutrient that's not just good but essential for our visual development and the function of our retinas. Imagine this. The retina is like a camera, capturing and processing light to create the images we see. Omega-3 fatty acids help ensure this camera is working at its best, capturing life's moments in the highest definition possible. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the seafood section. Stop by, pick up some fatty fish, and give your eyes the omega-3 they crave. Remember, your eyes love fatty fish, so consider it a sight for sore eyes. Moving on to number 4, we have the colorful bell peppers. These vibrant veggies aren't just pleasing to the eye, they're packed with benefits for your eyes too. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, 2 powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in maintaining eye health. Vitamin A is vital for our corneas, the surface of the eye, and it also supports the function of the retina, which helps us to see in low light. Then we have vitamin C, a major player in fighting against oxidative damage. Our eyes are constantly exposed to light and air, which can lead to oxidative stress. But vitamin C comes to the rescue, helping to combat this stress and potentially preventing the development of age-related macular degeneration. So why not add a dash of color to your meals with bell peppers? They're not just a feast for the eyes, but a feast for your eyes. So add some color to your meals and give your eyes the nutrients they crave. Breaking into our top 3 at number 3, we have the humble carrot. Now, it's no secret that we've all heard the age-old saying that carrots are good for your eyes, but have you ever wondered why? Well, it's all thanks to 2 key nutrients, beta-carotene and vitamin A. Let's start with beta-carotene. This nutrient is what gives carrots their vibrant orange color. More importantly, it's a type of provitamin A, which means our bodies can convert it into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential to our eyes as it helps convert light into a signal that can be transmitted to the brain, allowing us to see in low light conditions. Now, onto vitamin A. This nutrient helps protect the surface of the eye, which is crucial for good vision. It also plays a key role in preventing conditions like dry eyes and night blindness. So it's not just a myth. Carrots are indeed good for your eyes. Coming in at number 2, we have the nutrient-packed spinach. Now, you might have heard about the wonders of spinach from Popeye, but did you know this leafy green is a superhero for your eyes too? Bursting with lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach is your shield against eye villains like cataracts and macular degeneration. These nutrients are like bodyguards, protecting your vision from harmful elements. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bunch of spinach. So don't skip your greens. And, drumroll please, at number 1, we have the amazing almonds. These humble nuts are a powerhouse of nutrition, and when it comes to eye health, they truly shine. Why, you ask? Well, let's delve into the science a bit. Almonds are packed, and when I say packed, I mean loaded, with vitamin E. This is a potent antioxidant that is known to protect our eyes from oxidative damage. You see, every day our eyes are exposed to numerous environmental stresses like sunlight and pollution. These factors can cause oxidative stress, which can harm our eyes. But that's where almonds come in. The vitamin E in these nuts acts like a shield, protecting our eyes and keeping them healthy. But that's not all. Almonds are also incredibly versatile. You can snack on them, add them to your salads, or even mix them into your morning porridge. So go nuts with almonds and give your eyes the ultimate health boost.